In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add notes in a presentation in Canva step by step. This is a super useful feature if you're presenting slides and want private speaker notes that only you can see while presenting, whether it's for meetings, classes, webinars, or client presentations. Canva makes this really simple once you know where to look. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Once you're on the Canva home screen, you'll see all of your recent designs, templates, and presentations. From here, locate any presentation that you want to add notes to. You can either open an existing presentation you've already created, or you can start a brand new one by choosing a presentation template. For this tutorial, I'll open an existing presentation so you can clearly see how notes work with slides that already have content. After opening your presentation, you'll be taken into the Canva editor. This is where you normally edit your slides, add text, images, graphics, and animations. Now, look toward the bottom left corner of the editor window. You'll see an option labeled Notes. This is the key feature we're going to use. Go ahead and click on Notes. As soon as you click Notes, a Notes panel will open up at the bottom of your screen. This section is specifically designed for presenter notes. These notes are not visible on the slide itself, which means your audience won't see them during the presentation. They're only there to help you remember talking points, explanations, or reminders while you're presenting. Now, make sure you're on the slide where you want to add notes. Each slide has its own separate notes section, so you can customize notes for every page in your presentation. Click inside the notes area and start typing the notes you want for that particular slide. You can write full sentences, bullet-style reminders, or even a short script depending on how detailed you want your notes to be. For example, you might add reminders about what to explain verbally, key statistics to mention, or transitions to the next slide. Canva automatically saves your notes as you type, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. If you move to another slide, you'll notice the notes area changes. This allows you to add different notes for each slide individually. Simply repeat the process by clicking in the Notes section and typing in the required notes for that page. You can do this for as many slides as you want throughout your presentation. Once you've added your notes, that's it. You've successfully added speaker notes to your Canva presentation. When you present, these notes can be used as your private reference, so you can confidently deliver your content without reading directly from the slides. And that's how easy it is to add notes in a presentation in Canva. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.